secret assassins lurking in the dark. Tigers can see 6 times better than humans at night, thanks to a special reflective layer behind their retinas. These apex predators are born blind and only open their eyes after a week. Each tiger has a completely unique stripe pattern. Just like human fingerprints, no 2 tigers share the same design. A tiger's roar can be heard from up to 3 miles away, and they can actually paralyze their prey with the intense sound frequency. When they hunt, they move completely silently by walking on their tiptoes. The most mind-blowing part: tigers are such powerful swimmers, they can cross rivers up to 4 miles wide. Nature's perfect killing machine.